This is a picture of my family. I am a girl and I am 16 years old. Next to me are my younger brother, Will, and my mother, Vanessa. My father, Mike, is wearing blue and standing beside me. He is very tall. Next to my father are my Aunt Wilma, my grandfather Ben, and my grandmother Lana. Beside my grandmother, you can see my Uncle John and his daughter, my cousin Jane. She is very little and cute.